It's quarantine. We have been quarantined in Zimbabwe. We're in a self-quarantine shit. Hey, how is it? This is Munashe once again. It's been a long time since I've ever done a music tutorial. So today we're on self-quarantine because of the coronavirus, the COVID virus. It's been taking lives and it's a real tragedy for the whole of the world, not just Zimbabwe. I think we've lost our first victim in Zimbabwe. May he so rest in peace. But anyway, I've been having like messages that are telling me on YouTube. So like 3 years ago, I did a video, a song called what's the name? It's by Nati. It's called Nomvula. Yes, so 3 years ago I did this song. So I've been having messages of people wanting them to show them how I pick the string. Alright, so today I'm just gonna do like the whole process of how I strum guitars different ways, whether it's reggae, whether it's a soft song, whether it's a fast song, different vibes. So here goes. So today we're gonna start with the Nati song, the Nomvula. So here goes. Alright, so what I do is just picking each chord, just going down. Let me show you. Up close and personal. Alright, so from the last video I mentioned how you pick up the chords. Like this is C, then this is D, E minor, then G. So the way that I'm picking is this. Watch carefully. So it's so let's do it again. So it's just down, down, up. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna do sort of like a reggae song and show you the way I pick the song, the way I strum basically. So we're gonna play it in G. So we are using bar chords. So the way that I'm picking it, I start with the main, up, E chord. So it's like a combination with the E chord, the top E chord, and the fourth, the G. Alright, so the way that I'm picking is that I'm picking from the E string and the G string. Alright, so like it's a combination between the E and the G, the fourth chord. So I'm gonna play the song using bar chords now. So it's alright, so on the second chord I'm playing the A string. So it's I go back to the E string, then down to the second string, A string. So it's like a combination now. So you're like or even I can do like this. But I don't like playing it this way. So it's like starting from down. So it's like down and you choke it. Yeah, so let's do it one more time. Alright, so I think okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to be posting more and more videos teaching you how to pick strings, how to even play strings on the guitar. I think next time I should do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys.